Dr. Roger, 5400 Roger West, number 6th Street, stand by for tow time, stand by for homicide.
In the morning, peak hour, people trying to get to work, people trying to drop their kids off. It could take only one car to just disrupt everything, or even a stalled car. The majority of my work in the morning is trying to keep the lanes open and keep the traffic flowing. I respond to Hollywood area calls, whether it's traffic control, whether it's peak hour, whether it's red zones, whether it's blocked driveways, blocked fire hydrants, or whether it's temp tolls that they're constructing and they need that street closed. I've been a part of the Employees Club for the past 19 years since I started here. I really enjoy the club. I look forward to the Life paper. I go through every page. My daughter, when she was 5 years old, she did the coloring contest, and she actually won. So it was a proud thing. Wow, look, your name's on the paper. We framed it, and she took it to her bedroom, and she has that. It's like a memento. When she was 5 years old, she's about to be 20. I started the tournaments with sports, and the club's really fantastic with me. If I ask them, can we do this? Absolutely, go ahead and do it. Just put it together. We'll sponsor it. And so I tell all these players or the city workers about it, and they're very appreciative. I enjoy seeing coworkers mingle, seeing their families, watching their dads and mom play. It's our own little community. The club has been very valuable to my family as well. It's through the club that we use the benefits. It could be movie tickets, amusement parks. I look forward to their events. If I'm not doing something besides my job, I look to see what the club is offering. The club is like my right hand. That's just how I feel about the club. They're so supportive of what I'm trying to do with everybody else as a community.
I have been working for the city of Los Angeles for 20 years now. I enjoy the job and the work that I do. You're providing a service that is wanted and needed. They say if you enjoy what you do, you don't work a hard day in your life. In East Valley, I was the only woman driver for like 7 years. It's kind of cool when people see a female out there driving the truck, especially a piece of equipment like this. The Employees Club is part of my life because I pretty much talk about it on a regular basis. People don't realize that you have great benefits that come with the Employees Club. There's all kind of discounts. Purchasing tickets, wearing the apparel outside of work. I've been purchasing the merchandise for quite some time. I have all kind of hats. I think I was in Rome, and I was wearing my city satchel that I had purchased just for that trip. The best part is when I call them for tickets, I'll say, Loopy, I know this is short minute, but what other tickets going on in the specials at this time? And she'll say, when are you going? And then I'm off on an adventure with all my grandkids. I get to have them experience SeaWorld on my birthday 2 weeks ago. I said this was because Noni was working. Why we get to come to SeaWorld. So they'll always say, Noni, are you working and can you get us tickets to go see the big fish? My father's LAPD, retired. He's been in the paper because of me for Father's Day. I gave him that as a gift, a tribute to my dad. My mother is a county worker. She is a retired sheriff. So I'm following in my parents' footsteps.
This one is 29 and this one is 25.
The newspaper has given me a way to document my life in a way that I'm proud to show who I am, to have this badge on my shirt, to work for the city. I can leave a legacy behind for them and my grandchildren.
So I worked for the department for 34 years, exactly. I started March 16th of 1987. 34 years of service with Water and Power, 28 years as a member with the Employees Club. That's huge. A lot of years and a lot of friends. I'm in Lancaster. We have some people in the Inland Empire. Once a month, we all try to get together somewhere neutral so one person doesn't have that far to drive, and then we meet up to break bread and talk about what's going on after DWP, you know. It's been pretty cool. You know, we keep a really tight, close friendship that way.
When I'm in LA, I'll drive by a hydrant that I install. I'll nudge my kids and be like, hey, see that hydrant? You know who put that hydrant in, right? That's right. Your dad put that hydrant in.
Yeah, you did, because crooked. We became something a little deeper, something a little more than just co-workers. We became true friends afterwards, you know, and that's the blessing out of this whole thing, you know.
You know, you have your home family, you know, your wife, your children, your relatives, but I have the bond and the closeness with you guys that never went away.
I feel secure, I feel comfortable knowing I can call the Employees Club even after retirement to get the products that I need, to get the information that I need. When the members say something, they hear us, you know? And that's the important part of the membership. It's nice to have that security. It still offers me the same benefits I had when I was working. We provide an essential service to the city, and that plaque, that's my thank you for doing the job well done. You know, that's what I see when I see that plaque.